Hello everybody, hope you are good. So let's continue defining the hand here. So as you can see, it's very blocking stage now. So let's start from this finger. So fingers are looking a little bit longer than, I believe these angles are bad. This angle, so let's put here and let's scale a little bit. You can see, let's go to object mode. This is the longest finger here, and as you can see, I'm just trying to make these two fingers a little bit like more bent kind of here, because in a relaxed position, if you notice your finger with a relaxed hand position, it tends to bend more than these two. So let's put one edge loop here. So let's go to, so here I'm using my shift key and right clicking, insert as loop tool. Can do that as well. So as you can see, it flips because of that option there. So I'm going to turn off that option here, insert with edge flow option off. So again, this is looking too long. Okay, and the base of the thumb is very funny here. So this should be, if you check from the front view, the reference, you can see this depth here. So it's kind of this. So this is kind of this, and so trying to get that gesture of the finger and palm here. Okay, but you don't have to be too much perfect here, because we're going to do the sculpture, and this area should be a little narrower here, like this. Okay, I'm going to delete these faces here so that I can breathe here, and let's delete these things as well. So let's select this vertex, Ctrl F11, delete. And if I select this border edge, you can see it's 8, and now I have 10 here. So either I have to put 2 more edges here, or I have to decrease here. So I think we can decrease here. So let's select these 3 edges like this. Now I'm going to collapse them. Go to edit mesh, collapse them. When you collapse an edge, you can see it's collapsed, and these 2 vertex get merged at the center. Okay, so edit mesh, collapse, or you can just combine them as well. You can go to, you can merge them by just selecting 2 and go to edit mesh and merge. But in this case, you have to do like twice or thrice. Select both of them, press G this time. G is the repeat tool option. Okay, so now you can see, instead of 2 edges here, I have 1. So now I have 9. I want to do the same thing at the bottom here. So let's select 3, edit mesh, collapse. Okay, so now I have matching numbers here, 8 and here 8. So I'm good to breathe now. So let's select both of them and go to mesh and combine. Mesh, combine, then select both of the edges and go to edit mesh and bridge. In this case, we can see a little twist. It's not a twist effect, it's because of our positioning. You can see the palm is little like towards this side, so we have to average this wrist area thing, and we need to manually adjust here and there. And this is the palm bottom area. It has a lot of volume here. You can say, you can look at your palm and you can see this area is like kind of a balls there. So let's, now I am using my move tool component mode, which allows me to move a vertex in its normal direction. Basically normal direction is a direction of 90 degree. So you can say, if you see this vertex and it shows it's 90 degree. Okay, so this is a better way to like make things thicker, or maybe give them a little bit volume by just moving the vertex to the normal direction. Yeah, like this, just relax them. And you can do one other thing to relax this area. You can use this sculpting brush called relax here. So you can use this brush, and as soon as I just click there, you can see it's in sculpting mode now, and I can just sculpt on it, and you can see when I sculpt, it changes almost whole model. It's because the radius is too high. Yeah, if you check the radius of the brush, let's undo it. The radius of the brush is too high. Let's select it and press B and decrease it. Let's go to its, double click here, and let's go to size, and you can see the size is too much there. It's a small scene, and you can see the brush size now. Okay, the second thing is the strength is too high. So select it, bring this, and just bend it. Just hold left mouse button and just drag on the area where you can see this kind of unevenness there. You can see it's averaging them by moving the vertex position. You can just use it anywhere. When you use on the body, you can use the symmetry as well from here. So let's click on here, object X. So you can see I can do both sides at the same time. Let's say this area. So basically averaging. Okay, so good. Come back to select tool. So we have our hand here. If I press 3, you can see we have a good base there, and we can just define it inside GBrush. Okay, in the next lesson we are going to do the feet, and the feet would be very blocky because he has weared a shoe, so I don't have to do the fingers there. So we are going to do that in the next lesson.